Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So today we are going with wonderful topic, that is gas sensor. Okay, that is MQ6 gas sensor we can see. So here what we are doing here, we are monitoring the leakage of gas. Suppose if any gas leakage is there, by using this programming with Arduino, we can monitor the gas leakage. We can give one buzzer, or we can turn on one light, like that we can do. Okay, so for that purpose what we need to do, we need to see first the connection. Okay, so see here, if you type like this, like connect MQ gas sensor to an Arduino, then you will get like this connections you will get. You can pick any one connection, and you can connect like this. Okay, it has one power supply pin, then one ground pin. It needs a 5 volt power supply. Okay, and one more is analog pin, because gas sensor value, that value will be in analog. Okay, so we need to connect gas sensor to analog pin only. We can say MQ sensor, it is a analog sensor. Okay, like that also we can say. So like this you can do the connection. Okay, now the connection is done, so I will show you that connection on camera also. So you can see here, I think it is visible to you guys, right? Okay, yes, you can see here, I have done connection. This is our MQ6 gas sensor. Okay, it has 3 pins. Here there will be a pin. Okay, then one LED will be there, one green LED will be there, 2 LEDs will be there. So I have connected the one to 5 volt, then one to ground, and one is analog pin. Okay, this for MQ sensor. Okay, then now I have used one LED. LED is for what? For indication purpose. Right now I don't have buzzer. You can use, instead of LED you can use buzzer also. Means suppose if gas leakage is high in kitchen or everywhere, that time if the range exceeds that level, if that danger level, that time we can turn on one buzzer. Okay, right now I have used one LED. You can use buzzer also, no issue. Okay, so I have connected this LED to the second pin of this Arduino. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you now. If you have any questions regarding connection, please comment. Okay, I'll answer to that. Then next, okay, we'll see the program. We'll move to program. See here, I have declared LED because I have used one LED, so I am declaring that I am connecting that to 2 because it is a digital pin. Okay, then we need to, this, like if you are using any pin, you need to declare whether it is input or output. So I have declared that as output, and this is for serial monitor. Okay, then next I have used here void loop. So same here, this is an analog sensor, so what we need to write here, analog read. Okay, so it will read the values of this A0. You can use any pin, A0, A1, A2, A3 up to A6, you can use any pin. So we need to read the values, and we are storing that value in what? Sensor value. Okay, it will store. So what we are doing here, suppose if that value, because the analog value will be from 0 to how much, it will be 1023. Okay, or 24 we can say. So this I have considered this 860 is a danger level. Okay, so suppose the value, if it is increased greater than 860, that time what I am doing, I am turning on one LED. You can use buzzer, and if it is less than that, then the LED should be off, and 1 second I have given time delay. Okay, so this is the program. It is very simple program. Okay, so I hope you got this program. So now what we'll do, same, you need to save the program, you need to verify. So I'm verifying it is okay. It will take some time to verify. Okay, yeah, it is done. Hoja, done. Yes, it is happening. Okay, yes, done compiling. Then upload. You need to first, before that, you note this, you need to select Arduino board COM port. Okay, then upload. Okay, if you do upload, it will upload the program. Okay, it is uploading. Yeah, uploading is done now. Okay, now we can see the result here on serial monitor. Okay, so we'll see right now the value is what, 579, 5555, 546, like that value is there. Okay, what we'll do here, we'll write one. Okay, so it will be very easy for us. So what I will do, I will copy this and paste here. I want to print this sensor value, so I'm printing this. Okay, Yes, done now. So once again I will upload. While uploading, it will do both. It will do compiling also and upload also. So I am directly clicking on upload. So we'll see the output now. Okay, see here, sensor value colon 548. Okay, so this is the normal value. So the LED is here we can see. So the LED is what here off it is. Now what I will do, you can take any lighter like this. See, like this you can use. Okay, so what I will do, I will this turn on. Okay, it is giving it is giving here what gas. Okay, so that I will take here, and we can see the difference in value. See, it is increasing now. See, I have given 860, it is above 860, so LED got turn on. It is danger level now. Okay, suppose if I remove this, what will happen? Again the value will decrease. If it is below 60, it will get off. Again I will do turn on. See, got on. I'll take off. Now it will get off. See, yes, like this you need to do the connection, right? I hope you got this, how to monitor the gas level, how to detect the gas level. You can use, instead of that, you can use buzzer also. Okay, so if you have any queries or question, please comment it. Okay, but I think it is clear to you. Then also if you have any questions, then you can free to fill any questions and answer. Okay, so I'll tell you one more thing, like we have our channel InfiSky. There you will get all the details. I'll show you that. So you just type here like InfiSky, okay, and click on videos. So you can go here. Here our channel is there. Click on InfiSky. Okay, here you will get all the playlist, like Arduino playlist is there, Python playlist is there, machine learning, Arduino projects playlist is there. This is our Arduino. You will get all the sensor details here, so you can refer this and you can learn about all the sensors. We are bringing new sensors, so you will get all the details about that. Okay, so thank you so much everyone, and you're supporting a lot to us. Okay, so thank you for that from heart, and please like, share and subscribe. Suppose if you feel it is useful to you, then please like and share and subscribe to our channel, because it will motivate to us to make new videos and more videos. So thank you so much everyone. Thank you.